articles on Van't-Hoff factor. Okay, number of questions we get in examination from Van't-Hoff factor. So there are different kinds of question on Van't-Hoff factor. So what are the different categories? Some of the categories we have discussed yesterday, but today we will start some most important question. So write down question number 1. So first write down heading. Without wasting our time, we will start simple numerical. Okay, so write down question number 1. Which of the following aqueous solution which of the following aqueous solution will have highest boiling point? Which of the following aqueous solution will have highest boiling point? Number 1, 0.1 capital M KNO3. Number 2, 0.1 capital M Na3PO4. Sodium phosphate Na3PO4. And number 3 we have 0.1 capital M BaCl2, barium chloride. And the 4th one we have 0.1 capital M K2SO4. K2SO4. Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, please see. This is the question in which we have to find which has the maximum boiling point, but we will not find only which one has maximum boiling point. We will try to find, or we will try to arrange them in the increasing or decreasing order of their boiling points. So it may be question like that कि arrange them in the order of. तनी लाइट बंद करो के ऊपर ये दिक्कत तो इसमें. It is this. So how can we solve the question? Please see here. First we will make a column. These are the solution. Here we will write solutions. Always you make some column table here. Next we have type. It is KNO3. First one is called A. Whole rest piece is called B. A के नीचे 1, B के नीचे 1. A1, B1. It is A. Rest whole is called B. Na के नीचे 3 है तो A के नीचे 3. ये पूरा O के नीचे 4 है बेटे, P में नहीं है. So it is whole B, A3B. It is A, B, A, B. It is AB 2 type. Next A, B, A2, B type. These are the type, and you know very well ITA expected. How is calculated ITA expected? Yes, Antara, what is the ITA expected for AB type? Yes, ITA expected for AB type, Antara? Hello? What is the value of ITA expected for AB type? 2. Very good. Among A3B. AB2. इसका 1 इसका 2 कितना हो गया? 3. इसका 2 इसका 1 कितना हो गया? It is 3. Next, molarity. Always remember, for dilute solution, molarity is equal to molality. Keep this point in your mind. So it is capital M. This may be treated as small m. It is 0.1. So write it here. It is 0.1. Again 0.1. It is again 0.1. It is this. Now next point we have. Yesterday we have discussed this. ITA into m. 2 1s are 2. 0.2. 0.4 मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए दोनों को. 0.3. 0.3. आपको इस क्वेश्चन में बताना है विच हैज हाईएस्ट बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. आदित्य, व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन बॉइलिंग पॉइंट एंड ITA m? Yesterday we have discussed. Just tell me what is the relation. Aditya, please keep your mobile near to your mouth, then say loud.
Sir, I don't remember.
Okay, it means you have not revised your content. Aditi, Aditi,
Yes, sir.
what is the relation between boiling point? Yes. Samrid,
Sir, directly proportional.
वेरी गुड. इट इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल. आपको दो ही बातें बताई थी कल. सब चीजें डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होती हैं, दो चीजें इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल होती हैं. वन इज वेपर प्रेशर, सेकंड इज फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट. सो सिंस यू विल राइट हियर, सिंस boiling point is directly proportional to eta into m, and you can see means greater the eta, highest बताना है. highest boiling point means highest eta into m, and you can see it is 0.4. so 0.4 is for this. So therefore 0.1 capital M Na3PO4 will have highest boiling point. Highest boiling point. Please note down this one. Note down this speed with this speed. Scroll down. Tell what you are watching this. Yes, have you note down?
No, sir.
Please note down first. Okay, right, next question. Question number 2. Which one of the following electrolyte has the same value of Van't-Hoff factor? Has the same value of Van't-Hoff factor as that of Al2SO4 whole thrice, as that of Al2SO4 whole thrice, within bracket, if all are 100% ionized. If all are 100% ionized. Yes. So 4 electrolytes are given. A, B, C, D. Write A, B, C, D 4. Just like in column. Number 1 electrolyte you have K2SO4. It is K2SO4 potassium sulfate. Second one is K3FeCN whole 6. K3FeCN whole 6. Next one AlNO3 whole thrice. Aluminium nitrate. AlNO3 whole thrice. Next K4FeCN whole 6. Yes. Now please look here, then you will note down. These are the 4 electrolytes that we have given, and we have to compare all these with Al2SO4 whole thrice. Al2SO4 whole thrice. Question says that out of these 4, which one has same value of Van't-Hoff factor like Al2SO4 whole thrice? Which of the following electrolyte has same value of Van't-Hoff factor? So first type. First column is type. It is A to B type. First calculate A to B. A3B. This whole is B. Nothing is there in the suffix. So A के नीचे 3 है, B में नहीं है कुछ. It is AB3. It is A4B and Al2SO4 whole thrice. A2B3. Okay, now this is eta expected. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 3, 5. The question was which has the same value of n-top factor as that of this. So you can see these two have same value. So what is the answer? Please tell me what is the answer? Yes, very good. This one is the same value. So now you can write here reason. Simple, you will write here like last column since K4 FECN language is very important, whole 6 and Al2SO4 whole thrice. या डेट लिख सकते हैं from, सीधा लिखो from this data we have same values of eta for this and this. Please note down. Now we will take next question. Write down next question. Consider. Yes.
Sir, doubt.
Yes, please tell me what is the doubt.
Sir, आपने बोला था फर्स्ट वाले क्वेश्चन में हमें अरेंज करने के लिए क्या आ सकता है?
हाँ, तो
CA/CL2T और
okay, right, I got it.
IM की वैल्यू K है.
Yes, जिनकी सेम है that will have same boiling point. उनके बीच में आप nearly equal का साइन बनाएंगे. That will have same boiling point.
Sir, a doubt.
Yes, any other doubt?
Sir, a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, a doubt.
Okay.
सर जो आपने फोर्थ वाले ऑप्शन है K4 FeCN6 वाला,
Right.
उसमें हम Fe को नहीं ले रहे क्योंकि वो एक सिंगल रेडिकल है क्या?
No. Always remember because it has Fe. जहाँ भी Fe आ जाए, Fe मतलब ट्रांजिशन मेटल आ जाए. एक पूरा चैप्टर है अभी के पास आपके पास सिलेबस में कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड. उसमें जहाँ भी स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट बन जाए, इस स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट को कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन बोलते हैं. ये एक साथ रहता है हमेशा. तो इट इज A, the whole one is B. A4, this is B. It is like that. It is called complex part. Within square bracket is complex part. So it never dissociate when dissolved into any solvent. Got it?
इस तरह बिहेव करता है ना?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please note down. Have you all note down? Okay. Write next question.
Yes, sir.
Consider separate solutions of 0.500 capital M C2H5OH 0.500 capital M C2H5OH within bracket aqueous कॉमा करके लिखिए 0.100 कैपिटल M मैग्नीशियम सल्फेट. Okay, it is a special kind of question. Actually some mistake is there in this question, but whatever he has written we will just write that. Actually here it is written Mg3PO4 whole twice comma aqueous कर देना ब्रैकेट में. All solutions are aqueous solution. Third one is 0.250 Please check the network connection. One is ethanol, second is magnesium phosphate, and third one write down 0.250 capital M potassium bromide KBr aqueous solution, and third one we have 0.125 capital M sodium phosphate Na3PO4 aqueous. This full stop. At 25 degrees Celsius, at 25 degrees Celsius, at 25 degrees Celsius, which of the following solution has highest osmotic pressure, and arrange them, which one of the following has highest osmotic pressure, and arrange them in the increasing order of their osmotic pressure. Yes, have you all written?
Temperature 25 degrees Celsius.
Yes, at 25 degrees Celsius. Temperature is common for all. Got it? Have you all written?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now please see on the board. So these are the different aqueous solution. First of all, I have already discussed and told you. First of all, write the type. Khushi, what is the type of this C2H5OH? First one, what is the type of this? Who will tell me type?
A2.
Yes, Amog.
Sir, it's ethanol.
Seetal, what is the type? Please fast. A2B. Subham,
Sir, what were you asking? I didn't understand actually.
actually the simple question is this: you are having these solution. The question is that the first one C2H5OH, what is the type? Like AB, AB2, AB3. This type. So what type of this? What is the value of ITA? Yes, Amog.
Dissociate.
Yes, now listen. I will tell you, no problem. Please listen. Always remember very simple. Yes, please.
Will it undergo association?
नो प्लीज नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. बहुत आपको बेटे 1,00,000 रुपए की बात बताने जा रहा हूं, ध्यान से समझना. दुनिया के जितने भी कंपाउंड्स हैं जो C+H+O के मिल्क के बने होते हैं, एक्सेप्शनली 1-2 केस हैं, अदरवाइज 99% केस में ये ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स होते हैं और ये हमेशा इनके लिए आइटा की वैल्यू 1 होती है. इनको आप टाइप में क्लासिफाई नहीं करेंगे. इट नॉट गेट डिसोशिएट इनटू प्लस माइनस. ये आयंस में नहीं टूटते. इट इज नॉट इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. मैंने आपको बताया था टाइप केवल इलेक्ट्रोलाइट के लिए देखते हैं. इट इज नॉट इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. तो इसके लिए आप सिंपल एक वर्ड लिखेंगे OC, ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड. जो प्योर ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड है उनके लिए डायरेक्ट आइटा की वैल्यू 1 लेके चलते हैं. नीदर डिसोशिएट नॉर एसोशिएट. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर. अगर मैं इसकी जगह यहाँ पर यूरिया लिख देता बेटे, यूरिया इज ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड, सेम आइटा इज इक्वल टू 1. सपोज आई राइट ग्लूकोज, CHO से मिलके बना है, C6H12O6, आइटा इज इक्वल टू 1. शुगर, आइटा इज इक्वल टू 1. शुगर, ग्लूकोज, यूरिया, ये सब ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड से इनके लिए आइटा की वैल्यू 1 लेंगे हमेशा, याद रखना. नेक्स्ट A3B2, नेक्स्ट AB टाइप, नेक्स्ट A3B टाइप. It is this. Now ITA A3B2. Isan, what is the value of ITA for A3B2? Isan? 5. Very good. It will be 5. For AB. Yes, Saksham. For AB, what is this ITA? 2. Okay. And for A3B it is 4. Now capital M or small m both have same meaning. Aqueous solution and dilute solution, generally it is same. It is 0.500, it is 0.100, it is 0.250, it is 0.125. Now ITA into M, so 1 into this it will remain same. 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, 500 500 5 1 जा 5, इट इज दिस. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, 200 2 5 जा 10, 2 2 जा 4 1 5, 0 point this. Now multiply by 4, 4 5 जा 20, 4 2 जा 8 to 10, 4 1 जा 4 1 5, 0.500. Now you can see how interesting the question is. All have same values of iota into m. जब iota into m सबका सेम है तो चाहे ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर हो, चाहे एलिवेशन हो, चाहे कुछ भी हो, all will have same values. So what is the meaning of this question? Since iota into m is same for all solutions, therefore all will have same osmotic pressure. Most important question, most important. ये जेई मेन 2014 में आया था बेटा क्वेश्चन. ये जेई मेन 2014 का क्वेश्चन है. कितना सिंपल क्वेश्चन, टेक्निक आपको पता ही है. तो कोई डाउट किसी को? यस यस, एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
Okay, please note down. So simple question, please. Okay, please
Yes, sir.
note down next question. Which one of the following solution has largest freezing point depression? Which one of the following solution has largest freezing point depression? Assuming that all solutions have 0.10 molality, 0.10 molality. Please see here. We have the electrolyte पोटेशियम क्लोराइड. अभी नोट कोई नहीं करेगा प्लीज, पहले देख लें. पोटेशियम क्लोराइड. सेकंड इज ग्लूकोज. You know very well glucose, C6H12O6. You can write the name also. कई बच्चों को भी फॉर्मूला याद नहीं होगा. ग्लूकोज. नेक्स्ट एल्युमिनियम सल्फेट, Al2SO4 whole thrice. Next we have K2SO4, potassium sulfate. It is this. तो सबसे पहला पॉइंट आता है टाइप. आपको टाइप बताना है. तो शीतल, व्हाट इज द टाइप फॉर नंबर 1?
Sir, A1, B1.
वेरी गुड. A1 B1. आकांक्षा, व्हाट इज द टाइप फॉर ग्लूकोज? it over here from basic to pro. Yes, for glucose what is the type? Is there Akansha? Sakshi, what is the type for glucose?
Organic compound.
Yes, it is organic compound. Simple, you will write Al2SO4 whole thrice. Subham, A2B3, K2SO4, A2B type. Now we will write the value of iota. A1B1, follow 2, OC 1, A2B3 5, A2B3. M is given. All common 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. Now iota into M. 2 into 0.1, 0.2, 0.1, 0.5, 0.3. It is this. What was the question? Largest freezing point. Now what is the relation between largest freezing point? It is not freezing point. It is freezing point डिप्रेशन। और मैंने आपको बताया था 2 मीनिंग होते हैं, यहाँ मेरी बात ध्यान से समझ लें सब। एक होता है फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट, एक होता है फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट डिप्रेशन, इसका सिंबल होता है TF, और जब डिप्रेशन आता है तो डेल TF। आपको बताया था फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है और डिप्रेशन फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है बेटे। तो आपको साफ दिख रहा है हाईएस्ट वैल्यू। आपको क्या बताना है, व्हाट वाज द क्वेश्चन? लार्जेस्ट freezing point depression means del TF. तो since del TF is directly proportional to eta into m, so which has the largest eta into m? This. So this will have the highest. So answer is, this means Al2SO4 whole thrice will have लार्जेस्ट, क्वेश्चन की लैंग्वेज लिखनी है, फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट डिप्रेशन। अगर इस क्वेश्चन में डिप्रेशन वर्ड नहीं होता तो आंसर चेंज हो जाता, फिर आपका फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल। तो लार्जेस्ट फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट किसका होगा? जिसका eta into m सबसे कम होगा। तो सबसे कम वैल्यू 0.1 है, देन आंसर विल बी ग्लूकोज। सो प्लीज कीप इन माइंड, keep the words in your mind, whether it is freezing point or depression in freezing point, that has to be keep in mind. बात क्लियर हो गई सबको?
Yes, sir.
Please note down. Write down next question. This question you will solve in your notebook and then you will tell me the answer. Okay, and time will be given to you 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes you have to solve. Okay, write down the Van't Hoff factor for 0.1 capital M, 0.1 capital M barium nitrate BaNO3 whole twice, barium nitrate, solution is eta is given 2.74. What is the value of degree of dissociation? Alpha has to be find out. It is the question mark. Have you all written?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now keep your video on. Please, all are required to keep your video on. Okay, now stop your writing work. Okay, now how can we solve the question? Please see on the board. I will tell you. Simple, yeah. It is AB2 type. AB2 type means eta is 3. If eta is 3, eta is equal to 1 plus 2 alpha. Eta is given. You will not take the value 3. This eta expected value is used only to write the relation between eta and alpha. So this is the relation. Now put the given value. 2.74 is equal to 1 plus 2 alpha. Then alpha will be solved out 0.87. That is 0.87 into 100. That is 87%. It is the question. Note down. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please note down.
Yes.
Now please write the next question on the same category. Which one of the following aqueous solution, ये भी आप मुझे करके बताएंगे. Which one of the following aqueous solution will have the lowest freezing point? Which one of the following aqueous solution will have lowest freezing point? लोवेस्ट फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट उसका होगा जिसका eta into m सबसे ज्यादा होगा, because freezing point is inversely proportional. And what are the solution? Number 1, write down 0.1 molar urea. It is the first. Second we have 0.1 molar acetic acid. Molar means molality is this. Molar acetic acid. Acetic acid. C is given 0.1 molar sodium chloride. 0.1 molar sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. Next 0.1 molar calcium chloride. 0.1 molar calcium chloride. Yes. Now 2 minutes will be given to you. Do that. Now I will do this question, then you will match your answer. If answer is correct, please tick. Otherwise, make a diagonal cross. बहुत सारे क्रॉस बना देना उस पे. याद रहेगा कि कभी गलत हुआ था क्वेश्चन. देखिए कैसे. यूरिया फॉर्मूला लिख लेंगे आप. पहले यूरिया का फॉर्मूला पता होना चाहिए. NH2CONH2. इट इज ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड. एसिटिक एसिड CH3COOH. It is the exceptional case. It may associate, it may dissociate, but in most of the case it gets dissociate. So it is CH3COO negative plus H positive. So you can write AB type. Next, sodium chloride NaCl AB type. Next, calcium chloride CaCl2 AB2 type. AB2 type. It is this. Now ITA. Organic compound 1, A1B1 2, A1B1 2, AB2 3. So ITA into M. It is 0.1 molar. All have molality 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. Now ITA into M. It is 0.1, 0.2, 0.2, 0.3. What has to be determined? Lowest freezing point. Freezing point symbol TF, and you know TF is inversely proportional to ITA into M. Amog, keep this in mind. It is this. So this value will be lowest when this will be highest. So where is the ITA into M highest? It is here. So answer is, this means 0.1 molar calcium chloride will have lowest freezing point. Got it? Any doubt, anyone?
Sir, you are not audible.
I am not audible. Am I audible too?
Sir, now you are audible.
Okay. Now Amog, now your doubt is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Your doubt is clear?
Sir, I said the same answer. Calcium. I said barium chloride. मतलब गलती से भूल गया, but वो
ओके ओके राइट राइट. अगर बेरियम क्लोराइड भी होता तब भी आंसर वही होता जो आपने बोला. ठीक है. ओके प्लीज नोट डाउन. गुड.
Sir,
यस.
sir, acetic acid is an organic compound and
इट इज द एक्सेप्शनल वन. मैंने कहा ना 99% केस में होता है, 1-2% में ऐसा होता है कि नहीं होता. तो एसिटिक एसिड इज एक्सेप्शनल केस. इसको हमेशा एबी टाइप मान के चलेंगे आप. अनटिल एंड अनलेस इट इज नॉट गिवन दिस अंडरगोज एसोसिएशन. इफ इट इज नॉट गिवन कि एसिटिक एसिड एसोसिएट हो रहा है तो आप इसको डिसोशिएट मान के चलेंगे. ये कभी भी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड नहीं मानेंगे आप, क्योंकि ये वीक एसिडिक का है. इसका नेचर वीक एसिडिक होता है. That's why it has some ionization character. Some gets ionized. It has weak dissociation. It is the weak acid. So that's why it is not considered as ITA is equal to 1, because it gets dissociated into acetate ion and hydrogen ion. Okay? Got it? Okay, please note down.
so can you please repeat?